Hi, my name's Natalie, welcome to Hi, my name's Natalie, welcome to oh, there's a fly. Hi, my name's Natalie, welcome to Fitfully Vintage. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a really cute and fun braided updo. It's a braided front bun, which you might think is super easy to create, just a plait, right? No biggie. Actually, loads of times when I've done it before, I've ended up looking like a unicorn, and that's not the idea. Now I've got some really good hints and tips that you can follow to make sure that you don't muff it up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell down there so that you are notified every time I upload. I'm filming loads, uploading loads recently, so don't miss out.
So you're going to start brushing all of your hair into a very high ponytail. You can either centralise it or have it slightly asymmetrical. I always like mine slightly off to one side. Also bear in mind that if you are going to leave your hairstyle unadorned by hair flowers, then the whole of the back of your head is going to be visible, so you might want to work on making it nice and smooth. Once you've put it up into a ponytail, which will make your arms ache, you can split that ponytail into two. Yes, very tired. And plait each section into just a regular 3-stranded braid. Don't worry if your fringe is sticking out like mine at the front, because that will be covered.
Okay, so you've got 2 braids here. You're going to take your first braid and wrap it around the band.
What you've got to make sure you're doing is wrapping that first plait over the second plait. I think what I've done previously is wrapped it underneath, but wrapping it over gives a much nicer effect. If you have any loose or pointy bits on the top where you folded the plait over the band, then you can just pin them down. So I'm just trying to flatten that loop a bit. And make sure all ends are tucked in and secure with a couple of pins. Your second plait is then just going to wrap around that first one, and you can see how it really builds up a nice large bun rather than like a tiny screwed up little horn on the top of your head, which is what I often get when I just randomly wrap the braids around the hair band. What you can do if you have thinner hair is, I guess, use a bun donut initially over the ponytail and then wrap your plaits around that to give you that extra volume from the inside. I'm just going to spray and smooth out the back and the sides. Now I often find that with these really high up front hairstyles that the back of my head just looks a bit weird, so I like to cover it up, and there's just a lot of room there when there's nothing but a bun on the front of your head, like this and the Dita bun and that, so I like to just cover it up with some flowers, just give a bit of oomph to the back. But it's really pretty, I think, very nice. Crazy flowers, look at those.
Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you liked the video. Let me know in the comment section down below what you thought about it. Don't forget to join me over on Facebook and Instagram also, and I've linked all of my socials down below. Take care, love you loads, bye.